So we have returned from Germany back home, and we still have a few of the cookies that we have yet to try. So we're gonna go ahead and try them out. They're, you know, just a few days old now because we bought them on like the second to last day or last day that we were there. I believe we bought them in Strasbourg, right?
Yeah. So it was pretty much our last end of trip. So I just want to kill them off before they do go bad.
Yeah, we started trying them in the car, but that proved to be a touch difficult. But now we have the rest of them. I don't even know how many cookies Charlie grabbed, I think. But
We have 5 more left, it looks like. So
okay, cool.
Here is a bit of the first one. Go ahead and try that. What do you think?
It's just a plain shortbread cookie. Like,
Oh, is this just the regular one?
this must be vanilla. This must be. There's no other flavor associated to it. It straight up tastes like shortbread.
No.
It's delicious. Do not get me wrong. This is good
really good.
Coffee. It has a nice fresh taste to it. Like, it's just really pleasant. But it's more of a classic flavor. None of the other crazy ones that we got. We're gonna put that aside for later. So I guess the other ones must have been like the lemon and the the lemon meringue one was all good.
So here is the next one. And I think this one might be cinnamon is what we grabbed, I think. Or maybe chocolate. No. I don't remember anymore.
You didn't grab any.
It smells like cinnamon.
Yeah, I was gonna say you didn't grab any chocolate. Like you might have grabbed like one chocolate, but it clearly. Oh, that definitely tastes like it smells like ginger. Gingerbread.
I'm sorry, I said cinnamon, but I meant gingerbread. Although gingerbread does have cinnamon in it.
That's gingerbread. Once again, super light. Oh, this is really good. Usually gingerbread is overpowering ginger. And the chewiness of the ginger inside of it sticks to your teeth. Usually, but this one is like so light that the texture is just that of a soft cookie. But it's like, it's harder than a standard soft cookie. It's not, it's almost like a ginger snap. Almost like a standard ginger snap.
It's really nice, though.
It's super nice. Yeah, no, this is probably my favorite out of them so far, which is...
Yeah. I don't know.
The lemon one was really good, but this is unexpectedly soft while having a hard outer texture.
Okay. And so, this next one, I'm thinking this is the apricot one.
Must be the apricot. Yeah.
And,
the round-mounded ones are filled, so...
Oh, are they?
Yeah. So it should be a hard cookie on the outside, and then...
and then what?
And then, like, cream.
Jelly on
yeah,
this?
jelly.
Okay.
Some sort of jelly or cream on the inside.
Alright. Yep.
Because that's what the pictures on the thing... you'll see the GoPro footage for the pictures, on the labels, I should say. Oh, that smells, like, very...
That's delicious.
Light.
Cookie with a little bit of almost jam in the middle of it.
No.
It's really good. Wow. Yeah, I that reminds me of the lemon one, and I really like the lemon one. I kind of wish, in a weird way, that was a mango.
Yeah, I can see that.
That would be, like, really good, I think, in this type of,
This one is either peach or apricot. One of the two, because we grabbed one of them. I can't remember which one, because they had...
apricot. I don't think we grabbed peach.
They had some weird flavors.
Yeah.
I
mean, we'll see in the video later, right? Alright, and then here we go.
I think that was apricot.
Doesn't have any distinct smell. There you go.
Yeah, it smells like a cookie.
So let me just give it a shot.
Mm-hmm. Chocolate? Ooh. Oh, you didn't get any jam. Did you?
Mm-hmm.
You did or you did not?
I did.
Oh, okay. It doesn't look like you got any, but...
I want to say this is like almond.
Mmm. Mmm.
Or like...
Hazelnut.
Yeah, it's a nut.
Mm-hmm. Almost hazelnut.
Yeah, for sure.
Mm-hmm.
That one's just as nice.
Yeah.
All right, and here's our last one.
Almond has a cherry flavor to it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Is that what it is?
Mm-hmm. Almond, yeah. Hazelnut has a harder... It's still sweet, but it has a harder nut flavor to it.
Still really nice.
Mm-hmm.
And here is the last one. And, all right, here we go.
It's just a drop cookie. Is there filling?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Apple.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Oh.
Mm-hmm. Definitely apple.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. That's really good.
It's like I took a spoonful of apple jam and shoved it in my mouth.
That is... Okay, that is my favorite one right there. Everything Apple in Germany so far has been amazing.
They did a really good job with this.
Yeah, I am kind of upset that we didn't go back to McDonald's to go try their apple pie like Mom wanted.
Yeah.
But, yeah, those
were really good.
those were amazing. That shop did a really good job. I mean, all their bakeries seem to do really well, so...
Yeah, I think out of all these... So, we went to a coffee shop, or a cookie shop, a bakery shop, confectionery shop, that sells cookies by the pound. So, a lot of places like this, there are a lot of places like that in Germany, and so a lot of them will specify or specialize in different types of cookies.
Mm-hmm.
So, these ones are just clearly, like, filled and baked and whatnot. Definitely want Colt to try that one if you don't mind. But
okay.
Yeah, like that's why I was leaving a little bit left. But it's they're all really good. But like for instance, hand me the other bag. There was a Christmas market we went to where we got other cookies, and these are more like marzipan based. So when you bite into them, they're very hard on the outside and super chewy on the inside. And it's really like, they're good, but they're extreme. It's like just a lot of sugar, because marzipan is sugar mix. So they were okay. Like these cookies that Charlie chose from the other place, from Strasbourg, way better. But once again, it depends on your flavor, right? So I would say that there's that these ones that you chose. That was an excellent choice, Charles. Excellent choice.
Yeah, no, thanks. I think, so I'm going to go ahead and just insert this cut back into the vlog, even though it doesn't match the days, but we've now tried all the cookies, and I think these cookies are just simply amazing. Like, this is what I expect when I kind of go to somewhere like Europe, and like, I don't know if I have high expectations or not, but these cookies like knocked out of the park, and I think that it's this was totally worth every euro that I spent on it. Like, that was amazing.
It seems as though a big difference between like American and European cookies is I feel like European cookies are always denser.
Mm-hmm.
They're a little heavier, which changes the texture, which then changes the flavor profile. Like the American classic is like snickerdoodle or chocolate chip cookie, and those you can literally get like super hard, or you can get extremely soft bake. And with the European cookies, it's like if that's the type of cookie you have, like this little like ginger one, that is how you will get it anywhere you go. You're not going to get a variation of like, oh, super soft and super hard.
Right.
No, like And
It's like they know what's already good.
yeah,
And then they
stick
just go with it. Yeah.
They like they've done the practice and they don't want it to fail anymore.
Yeah.
So I think with us, we're just all like, oh, we have options of whether or not you like hard, like snap cookies versus super soft baked cookies, and they're just like, nah. Like cookies are meant to be enjoyed with drink. They're like they have a set place to be eaten. So
Okay.
it's really good.
Well, go ahead and take us out so I could go ahead and edit it in.
Right. So that was the cookie taste test. Yeah. And we will catch back to you later on in the day.
Alright, so we found a little snack shop, a biscuit shop, and I'm going to go ahead and grab a few. I've already started touching these, so I'm not going to put them back, but you grab a bag, it's $3.95 per 100 grams. So I grabbed first a caramel filled one, which is this guy right here, and then an apricot filled one, which is this orange one right here. Sure, let's grab one of these
Cinnamon.
nuggets, canale.
Why not?
And then an apple-filled one.
Nice.
Apple and cinnamon.
Biscuit set.
This guy is filled with orange. And then a lemon-filled one.
Can I try the...
Yes, which one would you like to try? Yeah, we got one.
Well,
You want another one? Sure. We'll grab two.
that's it.
There we go. Grab two of those. And then I just want to grab one chocolate-filled one.
Sure.
And let's go see what's on the other side.
Chocolate.
It's almond.
Almond.
Okay, I'll skip that. Whoa, that might be interesting.
Anise. Oh gosh, anise seed.
Have you ever heard of that?
Star anise.
Anise seed? Let's try it.
Star anise.
Sure.
Mhm.
And then, oh, vanilla.
Okay.
Vanilla. Okay. Yeah, that's
Almond
good.
and yeah. Okay.
That's a lot on it.
You get 12 for 10 for these ones. Gummies. Suckers.
I'm sorry. Go right ahead, sir. $12.96? Perfect. Excuse me.
Yep.
Excuse me.